Hi. Lately I noticed I had a hard time reading my sockets because the print is so small and my eyes are getting worse as I get older. So what I figured I'd do is take my sockets, clean them with alcohol, take all the oil off of them, like that. I have a Brother label maker, so I'm going to make a label for this. It's 1 1/8 inch space. Okay, so it's making the label 1 1/8. Peel off the back. And put it on there. Try to get it as straight as possible, and there you go. It's a lot easier. Here's another one I did 15/16. Thank you.